Hey, it's Hump Day, Wednesday, middle of the week. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. As you check out my Twitter handle, I was reminded today about my summer forecast. Do you remember this back in May when I said it'll start off cool and damp and finish warm and humid? And boy, do I wish I was wrong about that one, because I don't know if I'm getting older or if it's just that bad, although we do have consecutive days at 90 in September. That's rare. It just feels oppressive. But that forecast for the summer was spot on. Meanwhile, one more oppressive day today will go in the books. Relief visits Thursday. Why does he say visit? Well, because it'll last through Saturday and Sunday, but I think we might be right back in the soup again next Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Are you kidding me? Again? Yes. Could be. File that in the back of your mind and put that in your pipe and smoke it. I don't know. A little better rain chance today than yesterday. Yesterday was really like brief light shower, sun shower kind of thing, and then within 5 minutes the ground was totally dry again. Had a couple of them. One did actually form in northern Otsego County. I was surprised by that. I thought it would be Utica North, but there was one, to be honest with you, that did form and raced through Herkimer yesterday afternoon, but most of it was north of Utica. Meanwhile, we're down to 71 for the average high, way above that for today. The trend is for definitely cooler weather. No need to memorize it. Just know that after today's oppressive warmth and humidity, it'll be in the 70s, mid and upper, for highs for the next 6 or 7 days. Meanwhile, the humidity going down. Oppressive yesterday, today, but then dropping off, wow, off the cliff, down to the low 50s dew points. And that means no one notices the humidity at that point for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember there were two cold fronts I was talking about yesterday, and I said the first would fizzle out? Well, there it is. It certainly has fizzled out. It's gone. But this one is the mean gene. This is the real deal coming in. It's fighting against very dry areas of high pressure. You can see how it's lighting up the water vapor imagery, going to a very dark blue and even some oranges in there, showing how intense and the fact that it's intensifying and growing with moisture. But it's fighting very dry air. See how the black actually turns into a gold over the Atlantic? That's extremely dry air. Hard to dislodge. You're using up all of your initial moisture trying to fill up those dry areas with moisture to allow the front to then become progressive and move through. Which means the first front is washed out. It's gone. Used up all of its energy trying to do that. Second one will make success late today and tonight, but it's moving so slowly because it can't dislodge the high pressure systems that it's going to wind up moving the rain and thunder in late this afternoon. Then it'll quiet down overnight, and it's moving so slow that it'll have a chance to fire back up again as it departs Herkimer and Otsego counties, so you may wind up there tomorrow with another round of a few showers before it completely exits all of central New York. So here again is the sequence of events. Any sunshine fades away, clouds thickening up, and the rain and thunder arrive after 1 or 2 o'clock and continues into the evening hours. Then it fizzles out to fog. The front makes it to about here in central New York, so that by tomorrow morning, I don't think we have any more rain for northern Herkimer, Oneida, Madison counties, but for Otsego and southern Herkimer, it could light up again as it's departing tomorrow morning and afternoon. Almanac-wise, pretty spot on. Second day of 90 in the books. I said 88 for the high. Trace in the rain gauge was a couple of very brief, light, spotty showers. And we lose 3 more minutes of daylight. Ho-hum. Your forecast is next.
Hey, Coach, we need you in the team now.
Yeah, give me a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Hey, Coach, what play are we going to run off the face-off this time?
Hey, I'll tell you in a second. I've got to check my Weathertainment.
Welcome back. Here's your Hump Day Wednesday forecast. Much like yesterday, oppressive humidity and heat. High of 86, mostly cloudy sky, rain and thunder after 1 or 2 o'clock. And of course, it'll be later in the day for Otsego and southern Herkimer counties. It'll arrive in Oneida and Madison counties first. But basically, after 1 or 2 o'clock, bets are off. It'll go into the evening hours. And then after a while, may quiet down to fog. A low of 62. And then tomorrow, for Oneida, northern Herkimer, and Madison counties, you're in the clear, just mostly cloudy for the day. Just mostly cloudy for the day. But for southern Herkimer and Otsego counties, It may fire up again, so that south and eastern parts of the viewing area, like those two counties, may see a few more showers tomorrow morning and early afternoon as it's departing. High of 76. 7-day forecast, again, highs in the 70s, lows in the low 50s. Friday's a nice day, partly sunny. Saturday and later in the day, rain returns and could go on and off Sunday and Monday. Nothing heavy, nothing prolonged. We're talking about, just spotty light 20-minute showers repetitively from Saturday later afternoon on and off into Sunday and Monday before it dries out again and begins to heat back up after next Tuesday. That's your 7-day forecast. Hey, make it a great day.